F-111. Obviously the navigator sits in the right-hand seat with the pilot in the left, and then we go flying.
The F-111 is a masterpiece of jet bomber design. First flown in the 1960s, it still holds records for high-speed, low-level bombing. By sweeping its wings back in flight, the F-111 hits 3,000 kilometers an hour. It can carry 14 tons of bombs, more than half its own weight, to targets more than 2,000 kilometers away. Onboard radar scans the terrain, allowing high-speed attack from 50 meters above the ground, beneath enemy radar. The F-111 can dump and ignite fuel with the afterburners. The spectacular display can light up a city.
End of the flight envelope at higher speeds, both the ejection and the recovery systems respond by delaying their sequenced actions. We'll use a 700 knot sled ejection as a high-speed case. The module peaks out at about 1,200 feet in a 3,000-foot downrange projection. Since the severed module's forward speed is lending an aerodynamic lifting force of its own, rocket power is cut considerably, to about half of its full force, allowing it to burn longer and to give a greatly increased downrange projection of the module. This takes 4 seconds, sufficient time for the module's speed to decay to 300 knots, the allowable limit before the recovery chute can be deployed.